Hi, it's Miss Erinn here, and I have a book to share with you today. It is called The Ice Cream Cone Coot and Other Rare Birds. It is written by Arnold Lobel. He also did the Frog and Toad series. Some of you might be familiar with this book. It has fantastic illustrations, and I use it along with the bird pun lesson. The lesson in which we do visual puns. We explore how you would visually illustrate a play on words, and this book does it beautifully. The Ice Cream Cone Coot and Other Rare Birds. This book was written in 1971. It's a table of contents, though all the text is probably backwards for you. Here we go. All the birds inside this book are very strange and rare, and if you travel to the zoo, you will not find them there. Don't look for them in nature books, in parks, or pet shop cages. The Drippet, Piffle, and the rest live only on these pages. All ladies agree this bird is worth knowing. The pincushion Piffle will help with the sewing. When the Drippet runs along the street, he leaves little puddles, so watch your feet. For writing a list or maybe a letter, the pencil key Parrot could hardly be better. Vanilla and chocolate, lemon and lime, the ice cream cone Coot is a treat anytime. The shutter cluck will never sing, nor will he ever fly, but he can take your picture when he clicks his big round eye. Oh, I missed this one up here. This bird will tip his empty head. He'll ask you to please fill it. Pour tea into the cup-a-dee and take care not to spill it. The dirtiest bird is the garbage canary. He lives in conditions quite unsanitary. There is the garbage canary. These pictures are done with watercolor paint. Aren't they fantastic, these illustrations? Down in hot jungles, steaming and dark, hear the loud calls of the soup ladle lark. Oxtail, split pea, beef broth, cream of tomato, clam chowder, chicken noodle, borscht, minestrone. What's the sound? I do not trust the jackknife Niffy. He could swoop down and cut off your nose in a jiffy. All the button beaks are small, their shape is neatly round. Look down upon your shirt front, that's where they can be found. There's her getting her nose chopped off. And there's all the buttons. The milk bottle midge is a bird highly prized. He is friendly and round and homogenized. The cut it up snippet makes holes in the trees. He clips all the leaves off and does it with ease. The milk bottles. There's the snippet. I really like the snippet. Each day you must water your flower pot plume. The buds in his bird brain are certain to bloom. The broom whisk is a well-known bird and one you may have seen. Your mother uses him each day to keep her household clean. The 10 o'clock tit thrush takes to the skies. He soars high above us, and time really flies. The gramophone goldfinch will beautifully sing. Just put on a record and wind up the spring. Showers and storms please the wet weather wren. When the cloudburst is over, he flies home again. These high-button bobolinks croon to the night. One fits the left foot and one fits the right. The plug socket swift is a high-voltage bird. His head is a light bulb, or so I have heard. I like that one a lot, too. Ironing clothes will make them lie flat. The seam presser sparrow is good just for that. The salt shaker shrike has the shakes for good reasons. You'll love him when tasting the food that he seasons. The sharp saw macaw is ever so gentle. Those teeth that you see are just ornamental. Over our heads, the key cranes are flocking, looking for doors that might need unlocking. The water glass goose can't be dropped on the floor. If this one should break, there just aren't any more. The dollar bill dodo is easy to spot. He is made of green paper and worth quite a lot. Instead of fine feathers, as most other birds, the newspaper peeper is covered with words. Bird seed prices up. The headline there. A good friend to know is the safe crossing crow. The red eye means stop and the green eye means go. And here we see the glove-dubbed poised in lofty flight. He doesn't know that pointing is considered impolite. Yes, all the birds inside this book are very strange and rare, and I repeat, it would be hard to find them anywhere. So do not search your neighborhood with cage or trap or net, for not a single boy or girl has ever caught one yet. There we go, more. There's all the ice cream cone coots and the other rare birds. And that's the end. All right, and that's it. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great day. Bye.